And today we are back on the MPC show, but this is going to be a revisit on the last concept that we went over, which was automation. Automation on sequence record. You just press sequence record. You just press play. And then you automate what you want. It's that simple. But just for grins and giggles, let's hold shift and let's double that sequence. Let's double it twice. And now let's do it again, but we're gonna overwrite that automation. Now, as you hear, it changes everything about that. Let's try another project and let's demonstrate other ways that you can use the automation sequence record. Okay, so off top we have a simple sequence, 2-bar loop. Okay, it's only 2 bars, 1 sequence. And we're gonna take this sequence and we're going to spice it up. We're going to automate, let's do sequence record automation, but this time we're gonna use the fader. How do you do that? You hold shift, you hit pad 9, and now we have options for the fader. I got this track loaded up here, which is a quintessential reason to use the pad tune on the fader, right? And specifically, one of my favorite things to adjust automation on for parameter adjustments during sequencing or to spice up my songs and my productions is definitely the hat. I've said that in the previous video, so now I'm going to demonstrate the fader. How to do that. It's very simple. Of course, we've already pre-selected pad tune via holding shift and pad 9. Going back here just to see what we're doing, just to show you what's going on. I'm going to go ahead and load up the semi-tune also on the screen. Triggering sequence record, pressing play start on this hat here. So, watch this. Now, as you see, if we mute, we can hear the tuning. It's very simple. That's why I just wanted to review this lesson one more time, just to make sure everybody's very, very clear on how easy this process is, and also holding shift, pressing mute, unmute all. How beneficial this is to really add excitement to your songs. Okay? So, run that. Get your coffee. Let's load up another song. Let's save that. Save project. Do it. We're going to do it again, but this time we're going to use K1, our knob parameter adjustment there, and we're going to add automation on sequence record in real time. I'm going to show you how we can spice up any song, how we can add a little bit of flavor and a little bit of heat on anything just by using a couple different variations with automation. First off, we're going to do pitch. I almost want to say we've done it all. Okay, here's one. It's on a loop. I think this hack can be, no, repeat it. And then we're gonna do a pad tune adjustment, you guessed it. Let's go ahead and just double up that sequence just to get a little bit more out of that. We're gonna double it twice. So that way we can let it play through one time before we let it dance. Here we go, so. And. And then we start the I didn't actually like that. Let me undo that. Too much. Too much, too soon. Whoops. And yeah, I wouldn't mind that doubled actually. All right, here we go. Now we're going to come through here and we're going to do a sequence record on the tuning on that, but we're going to use the knob this time. Here we go. Two, three, and there we go. Automation. So as you see, it's that easy, ladies and gentlemen. It's literally that easy. I just wanted to reiterate on this topic, on this subject. No, this is not a review of the MPC sample, which is coming soon. If you're interested in seeing that, make sure you subscribe for more. But this is reviewing the previous lessons that I've taught you. If any of these lessons feel like or seem like they're going to be benefiting you when you get your MPC sample, or if they are when you already have it, make sure you hit the sub and check out my playlists for more. Then we're going to do a filter cutoff. Then we're going to maybe try, and of course when I said pitch, we were talking about tuning, right? We're going to be automating the tuning. We're going to be, everything that you see on the screen here, right? We can automate the tuning in terms of the semitone and the fine tone. We can automate the panning. We can automate the filter cutoff. So just really quick to review on this project right here, which I think the automation really benefited from. We took the Breakbeat and we applied a filter to that. It looks like this. And it sounds like that soloed out. So that's going to give this song a lot of dynamic is the key word today. The key word, boys and girls, is dynamic. Here we go. Welcome back to Voyager Television. And today, like I said, it's not a review of the MPC sample, but it is a review of one of the lessons that I previously taught you on the MPC sample, and that is just sequence record automation and why you should be using it on all of your songs. Now maybe this would be dope to automate the volume with. So let's find the breakbeat. So let's try automating the pad volume with the fader on the breakbeat. Long story short, there's a lot you can do to what you already have to make this simple machine even better, to make your compositions on this simple machine even better. So let's get into it. We want to make sure our beats go somewhere. They have something, right? Unmute everything, you get this. I'm nasty. Yo, so one more. Adjustment that I made was on this low end sample here, which sounds like this, right? So let's mute everything so we can demo that out and you can hear what that sounds like. And to look at what I'm doing here, once again, we got a filter cutoff. We automated that. I've taught you how to do that. I've shown you how I did it. And we also did a pan automation on this. All the way right, all the way left, all the way right. A nice stereo bass playing with the levels there. Do a pan first. What does that pan sound like with everything in it? It sounds like this. Now if we come over here and we look, we see the pan is going hard right, and then hard left, and then hard right. Fun, right? And now we'll do one more automation on the fader to close this video. Thank you so much for vibing with me, man. I really appreciate y'all, honestly. Just a quickie today. Just wanted to make sure I reiterate yesterday's lesson because this can really change your productions so quickly. Like, look what we just did. Look what I just did. This is the same sequence, but now this has so much more body. So I just want to do a fader filter cutoff in real time. Before they do that, once again, double your sequence up. Why not? We got room to dance now. Holding shift, sequence 3, that's doubled up. Now we can pause it, sequence record, automation. And if we look at it, really dope.
really dope.
And what else can I say? What else can I demo here? I feel like I've covered it all, and I feel like we've beat the brakes off of this subject. I think we've covered that, right? Let me know. You let me know. This video help you? Let me know. What city you in? Let me know what you need help with. Yes, you, I'm talking to you. Drop it in a comment right now. You can literally bring any topic to the table, and I promise you I'm going to make a video on it. So just speak to me. Otherwise, you can just check out this video right here. And in the meantime, if you're not feeling that, check out that video right there. You might be into that. I don't know. We got music videos and everything. Peace out. Thank you so much for the support. I'll see you on the flip side. Play that beat.